It's black. It's a 1990 Chevrolet 454 SS, 20,000 miles. What's not to love? Let's take it for a test drive. All right, so today we are in a 1990 Chevrolet 454 SS pickup, and this is a real 454 SS truck. It is a documented 20,679 actual miles, so it's an extremely low mileage truck. The motor that's in it is the original numbers matching 454, making 230 horse and 385 foot-pounds of torque. The 90s do not have the overdrive transmission yet, so this still has the turbo 400. So just your 3-speed automatic transmission. It shifts great. This truck drives down the road beautiful. I have zero complaints mechanically. The AC's been converted to R134A and it blows nice and cold. You have your disc brakes, you have your power steering, your stock rear end. This is a stock style exhaust, so it's not terribly loud, but you do have aftermarket tailpipes coming out the back. So again, not a very loud muffler set on it. You could go with some flow masters if you want to just make it sound like a little bit more of a muscle car, muscle truck, if that's your preferred sound from the exhaust. But that's always something very easy and kind of personal preference when it comes to exhaust. But riding around in the cab right now, it's not terribly loud. It's understated, but being a 20,000 mile car, but 20,000 mile truck, it literally drives like a brand new one. On the interior, it is your factory Garnet Red bucket seat interior. You have your console, which is excellent shape. The seat covers look brand new on both sides. Carpets, mats, door panels, dash, all that stuff is great. You do have your aftermarket, probably dealer installed wood grain trim from back in the day. It's on both the door panels. You have the overhead console here in the center. You got your wood grain on the dash, on the upper and the lower. Some people like it, some people don't. For me, it doesn't really matter. I think the truck is so nice that having the wood grain is just a little bit different than all of your stock ones. It shows excellent in here. You do have an aftermarket Kenwood stereo. I do have the original bezel with the original stereo, so if someone wants to put that back in, you can. I do have the originals. I honestly don't know if they work or not because the truck had the aftermarket stereo in it when I bought it. So it does have the factory stereo, which will be photoed in the additional information section on the website. So that can be reinstalled if someone wants it to. As far as the does it work section, which you will find a screenshot of in the additional informations tab, the only things I have listed as not working is going to be your shifter indicator, the little orange indicator for park, reverse, neutral, drive, 2 and 1. The little indicator is not moving properly when you move the selector. So the little connection point between the arm and the shifter indicator is not 100% moving correctly. And then your headlight switch works. But the actual switch itself, if y'all can see this in the video, it's just a little bit loose. Same thing with the dimmer switch. So probably just needs to be reattached on the back side of the dash there a little bit better. Everything else is going to be working on this truck. Make sure you check out that additional information section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. You will see a screenshot of that does it work section. And I know we're getting misted on here a little bit, trying to get these test drives done. We got to do weather permitting. I will get the truck re-detailed and it'll be nice and clean sitting in the showroom floor. But we are getting a little bit of mist here right now, so we won't take it on a terribly, terribly long test drive. But before we get in the throttle after these couple cars go, just restating on the interior how nice it is in here. It really represents like a like-new truck on the inside of the cab here. Turn signal switch is nice and tight. Get your nice steering wheel, horn works. All right, we're warmed up. We'll go ahead and roll into the throttle some. Again, with the 230 horse and 385 foot-pounds of torque, these trucks do run well for what they are. As far as the underneath goes, extremely nice and very clean. I will again power wash this truck top and bottom to make sure that there is no road grime on there because we are driving it in a little bit of a mist today. But the underneath has no problems of any kind. The inner rockers, the frame, everything is excellent. On the exterior, you do have an aftermarket bed cover. It flips up, it flips down. You do have a really nice bed rug on the inside of the bed itself. Paint quality is very clean. You do have an aftermarket cowl hood, which has been repainted. The rest of the truck does appear to be original paint. You have some smaller little scuffs and little nicks around the truck, but it represents very nice, like a 20,000 mile truck should. The headlights look good, tail lights look good, probably the originals to the pickup. Doors open and close properly. Factory 454 SS wheels, tires are in good shape, no dry rot, no cracking. Your mirrors are in good condition. The outside caps of the mirrors have a couple little stone chips. The imperfections that I am mentioning, you will see photos of all that stuff in the additional information section on the website pcclassiccars.com. If you're having a hard time finding that, go to pcclassiccars.com, click on inventory, scroll down to this vehicle, click on it. You'll see the 20 plus photos up at the top. You'll see the test drive video below that, which is what you're watching. You'll scroll below the information, and at the very bottom of this particular page on the website, you will see that additional information section, which you can click on and see all the extra photos. As far as your suspension goes, does appear to be all factory 454 SS pickup suspension. Front end checks out great, rear end checks out great. Some of the bushings have a little bit of dry cracking in them. That's a really nitpicky thing, but they probably are the originals from 1990. This is a bumpy road. It is very comfortable. It's not bouncing me around. It's not pulling me left or pulling me right. Steering wheel's where it needs to be. Gauges are all functioning. Odometer's rolling like it should. We're showing 20,684 miles as of this video. Carfax is clean, no accidents, no damage ever reported. Glass is in good condition, but like all of these trucks, you have some delamination happening on both of the outside portions of the windshield, and then down low in between the wipers, you have some delamination happening as well, but nothing you can really even see from the driver's seat unless you look down at the lower corner of the center of the windshield, or not the lower corner, excuse me, the lower center of the windshield. You can see a little delamination happening there. These trucks are very notorious for that, but the side windows look good, power windows, power locks. You do have your cruise and your tilt like all of these trucks came with. Back glass is a sliding back glass. Downshifts like it should. Pulls hard. It really is an awesome, awesome 454 SS pickup truck. I love these. I can't even say how many of these I've owned by now. I always try to keep one, sometimes two in the inventory. They always sell. They're a lot of fun to drive. You get a lot of looks out on the open road. The performance is great on them. When you do pop the cover in the back, that bed rug is very nice. From what I can see, the bed floor is also very nice. That bed rug's probably been back in there for a long, long time. When you pop the hood, shows great. This is the numbers matching 454 to the pickup. Charging system is good. Fluids are all good. No wiring issues. Firewall checks out great. Same thing with the inner fenders. No leaks coming from the radiator. I don't currently see any leaks from the truck. Like any older vehicle, you start driving it consistently, or if it sits there for a while, a seal might shrink up. Right now I don't see any fluid leaks, but I can't predict or guarantee that's not going to happen. Almost all of these old vehicles, even the stuff from the 80s and 90s, you are going to develop some little drips here and there. But this one does look good currently. Driving position is very comfortable. You have your adjustable driver's seat. It manually slides forward and back. Hood release under the dash works correctly as well. Same thing with the parking brake. Got your little cup holders, which work properly. No one's coming, so we can roll into it a little bit. Try to not roast the tires on the damn ground. Definitely failed at that. But that's what happens when you have a little bit of a wet ground. But there you have it. This is an extremely clean truck. As always, I'm Michael. This is a 1990 454 SS pickup truck with 20,686 miles from myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars. We always appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drive videos. Make sure you check out that additional information section on the website pcclassiccars.com. Check out the content we're posting across all the social platforms every single day, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching.